Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. News. The latest dog coin is a frog? Pepe's market cap surges to $447 million. Inserting itself between predominantly dog-inspired meme tokens, Pepe took April by storm. Pepe's price rose by over 3,800% in 2 weeks, becoming the third largest meme coin. What's happening with the token, and is there more to the hype? What is the Pepe token? Anonymously launched on April 14 as an ERC20 token, Pepe is yet another meme coin driven by the popularity of internet memes. Just as real-world assets, RWA, can be tokenized, seemingly so can popular culture, but in a more speculative form. Pepe took this mantle, now sandwiched between Shiba Inu and Floki, at a market cap of $447.6 million among 75,000 holders. Although still firmly behind the memecoin king Doge, at a $10.9 billion market cap, Pepe has become the third largest meme token. Such abrupt reshuffling of popularity is indicative of this cryptocurrency niche. Investors take a lighthearted approach, always driven by novelty and cultural significance. This makes memecoin trading akin to tokenized gambling, which typically yields wild price volatility. As this is also the token's maximum supply, Pepe has no pre-sale, token unlocks, or emission schedule. Although such an enormous supply makes each Pepe cost a fraction of a cent, this also means that Pepe is deflationary. Case in point, Elon Musk's favorite, Dogecoin, has an annual issuance rate of 5 billion Doge. Therefore, it has no maximum supply. Although Doge's inflation rate will gradually decrease to approximately 2.5% by 2035, it will always be an inflationary coin. Accordingly, Doge will become less valuable unless its demand outpaces the inflation rate, which is not likely. On this basis alone, Pepe's fixed token supply makes it a more competitive meme token. The question is, how valuable is its cultural significance? Pepe's origins and value potential. Before anyone heard of cryptocurrencies, cartoon artist Matt Fury created the humanoid frog character in his comic book Boys Club in 2005. However, it took 4chan meme making to push Pepe the Frog into the mainstream. Pepe has made appearances across a wide range of subcultures, but in the late 2010s, Pepe became associated with the alt-right. Specifically with the presidential campaign of Donald J. Trump. Out of all personalities Pepe took, this made it the most pervasive one as a countercultural emblem. Now as a token, Pepe's mocking, ironic, and satirical manner is geared against dog coins. From this perspective, Pepe the Frog appears to be a more cutting and flexible meme than the Doge family of memecoins. At the same time, Pepe lacks the centralizing figure like Elon Musk, to whom Dogecoin owes much of its popularity. Moreover, out of 75,000 Pepe holders, only 10 wallets hold 20% of the token's supply. As anonymous as it is, this makes Pepe a relatively centralized coin, with few whales able to exert considerable buy or sell pressures. Following the airdrops, the aforementioned multi-sig PepeSexWallet.eth holds 6.9% of the total supply. The Pepe team, at Pepe.vip, plans to use this Pepe token trove for future CEX listings, cross-chain bridges, and liquidity pools. Does Pepe have a roadmap? At press time, Pepe has accrued nearly 152,000 Twitter followers on its official account, at Pepecoineth. On Telegram, it has the same moniker but just over 28,000 subscribers. Given its officially stated goals, Pepe completed Phase 1, centered around holder growth and social media trending. The following 2 phases aim to supplant other memecoins through community partnerships and increase the coin's social utility. The official page clearly states that Pepe has no formalized team or roadmap, describing the token as completely useless and for entertainment purposes only. Nonetheless, framing things unseriously is the hallmark of the Pepe the Frog meme. This itself may lend it more meme magic power. Price prediction. Pepecoin price today is $0.00001748 with a 24-hour trading volume of $399.05 million, market cap of $735.53 million, and market dominance of 0.06%. The Pepe price increased 52.04% in the last 24 hours. Pepecoin price forecast based on technical analysis. Based on data from May 5, 2023 at 0:52, the general Pepecoin price prediction sentiment is bullish, with 11 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 2 signaling bearish signals. Pepe price prediction was last updated on May 5, 2023 at 0:52. Pepecoin key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $0.0000001037, Pepecoin has support levels of 9.051 times 10 to the power of negative $7, 7.143 times 10 to the power of negative $7, and the strongest at 5.820 times 10 to the power of negative $7. Similarly, Pepecoin resistance levels are at $0.0000012228, $0.00000130, and $0.0000015551. Pepecoin reached its highest price on May 4, 2023 when it was trading at its all-time high of $0.0000011794, while Pepecoin's lowest price was recorded on n/a when it was trading at its all-time low of $0. The lowest price since its ADH was $0.0000011769, cycle low. The highest Pepe price since the last cycle low was $0.0000011782, cycle high. The Pepecoin price prediction sentiment is currently bullish, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 64, greed. Pepecoin's current circulating supply is 420.69 T Pepe out of max supply of 420.69 T Pepe. In terms of market cap, Pepecoin is currently ranked number 3 in the meme coin sector. According to our current Pepecoin price prediction, the value of Pepecoin is predicted to rise by 472.37% and reach $0.00001000 by May 9, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bullish while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 64, greed. Pepecoin recorded 14/20, 70% green days with price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Pepecoin forecast, it's now a good time to buy Pepecoin. Comparing Pepecoin against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Pepecoin price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the Pepecoin price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best case scenario, Pepe price prediction for year 2026 is $0.000419 if it follows Facebook growth. In case Pepecoin would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $0.00004810. Disclaimer: the opinion expressed here is not investment advice, it is provided for informational purposes only. It does not necessarily reflect the opinion of Cryptonic events. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Thank you for watching today's video on Cryptonic events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and will do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.